What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you in this video how can you get rid of this flashlight button, where you turn the flashlight on and off. Sometimes you press it accidentally and people tell you, oh, your flashlight is on. So before iOS 18 it was not possible, but now you can get rid of it from your lock screen. And in this video I'm going to show you how can you get rid of this button. Okay, so in order to do that, so what you do is on lock screen you just press and hold the home button, the home screen with your finger. Okay, once you see this customize option, so click on customize and then you press on lock screen. Now when you press on lock screen, as you can see, let me bring it a little closer, as you can see this minus button, so you can get rid of it from home screen. So once you remove it, it gives you option. You can add anything else in it if you want. You see there are a bunch of options, but let's say you don't want anything and you just want to get rid of the flashlight. So it's already been removed. So after that, all you have to do is just press this blue button where it says done, and now you don't have flashlight on the home screen. So I think this is a cool feature because it was annoying. Sometimes you don't even know the phone is in your pocket and you press it and then the flashlight comes on. So there are more cool features in iOS 18. Like you can also get rid of this camera thingy as well. This icon, if you want to, same thing. And you go to customize and lock screen and you see the option of minus. Now let's say you want to add something else instead of a flashlight. So there are other cool options. You can, like any app or any shortcut that you use a lot, so rather than getting into the phone and opening that app, you can add it from here, from these options. So I thought it's a cool feature, so I should share it with you. And if you want to know more features, please subscribe, and I will be making more videos in detail with all the features. Thank you for watching and see you next.